Hello everyone, this is the last video from our Nuwara Eliya trip and we have left the lodge and arrived at the Victoria Park in Nuwara Eliya. Located right in the heart of the town, this 27 acres of green oasis was named in 1897 to celebrate Queen Victoria's 60th Jubilee. It is one of South Asia's best maintained urban parks. It is a really beautiful park with manicured lawns, ancient towering trees, vibrant flower beds, and even rare orchids. Talking about things to do here, it's pure bliss for relaxed morning. Wander around the paths hand in hand, snap pics, or just picnic under the shade while birds chirp overhead. This place is a major attraction among locals as well as the foreigners. Then we were back on the road and heading our way towards the Love Galley DAMRO Tea Factory. On our way, we first had a quick stop to buy some fresh vegetables. Alright, we loaded up our bags and on our way again to the DAMRO Tea Factory. Here we are, we arrived at the legendary DAMRO Tea Factory, one of Sri Lanka's oldest tea centers. Formerly made woods dating back into the 1800s, it's where Ceylon Tea magic happens. We jumped on a free guided tour with no bookings and just showing up. Here she explains everything and how the process works here. You can also buy exclusive products at this place if you are willing to taste.
අපේ වෙලා ගන්නට මේ ජූස් ටික එළියට එන්න. එතකොට කුඩු වෙද්දි කාට වැඩි ලොකු වල වෙද්දි කාට අඩු. මේ ඉල්ලුමනොට කපලා අලලා ටේබල් වල තියා ගන්නවා. මේ විල බ්‍රවුන් පාට් එක වෙන්නේ ඒක ඔක්සිජන් දෙක ප්‍රතික්‍රියාවල කරන කැම්බල් එක. ඉතින් මේක ක්වොලිටි කාර්යවල කිප්පේ.
Then we were on our way back and we are going to the Lake Gregory Park in Nuwara Eliya. Inside the park, it's non-stop fun. You can rent boats, various kinds of ones, jet skiing, and there are plenty to do. The scenery and everything is perfect for family occasion, a picnic or whatever you like. It was so cold, we actually didn't take any boat rides because we were also short on time. On our way, we made a quick stop at the Seetha Amman Kovil, that ancient Hindu gem tied to the Ramayana. The drive home through Allah at night was magical, and with that, our Nuwara Eliya chapter closes. Until next time, bye for now.